Hello there. Thank you so much for clicking on my video. I am the 13th grader and I wholeheartedly welcome you to my YouTube channel. So, have you ever compelled yourself to act in a way to galvanize others? Worn the most uncomfortable piece of cloth just because it's on trend? Spent a hefty sum out of your savings on a pair of heels just to take someone's breath away? Bunked important lectures just so you could be counted in the popular gang? Broke rules just to act cool? Or fasted all day to manifest your physique? Listened to certain music you find absolutely ridiculous? Followed political views you're against of? Or involved in intoxication just to be a part of the herd? Guess what? You're not alone. You are just not alone. Social validation originates its roots from the very tribal cohort where members with alternative outlook who reprimanded conventional norms were thrown out and consequently deprived of food and shelter. However, is such a thing relevant in today's world? Why do we constantly question whether people approve of me, like me, want me around? Why have we turned into mere people pleasers? Subconsciously, something that has hijacked our lives that we don't even want to have. A constant desire to be liked. Think about it. Something that has changed us into mere slaves, valuing others' opinion more than our own inherent worth. Somewhere deep, we are, but lying and deceiving ourselves. What do you weigh more? Being loved by a single being because of who you are, or loved by a million other because of who they want you to be? It leads to what? Imposter syndrome, ghostlighting, and gradually you start questioning your importance in the society. It is true that rawness doesn't equate to popularity in this cruel, selfish world. But superficiality doesn't imply you being memorable, but rather invisible. Aim is not to be rebellious, but to be yourself. Risk to be seen at your utmost glory. Eyes are indeed seers, but also projectors. That translates into overthinking and scenarios that traps ourselves in the multiplexes of our minds, promising something that we already possess. There will always be someone living a more affluent life than ours. But will imitating them solve the purpose? Will it? Self-validating. Yes, recognize, honor, accept who you are and your judgments. Self-love, forgiving yourself, not judging and thereby not feeling judged. Saying no to self-doubt are perfect ways and are perhaps epitome of describing what self-validation is. Be your authentic self, embrace your strengths and live in the moment. At the end of the day, if you end up impressing one, you will be disappointing another. Let your inner parent care for your inner child without judgment. Remember, if you live by their acceptance, you will die by their rejection. And here I come to an end. I hope this video was able to make you introspect and give certain answers to the questions you might be having. If you enjoyed the video, you know the drill. If the button down below that says subscribe is still red, hit it right away. Thank you so much.